In this video we will see about the reactions of benzaldehyde with amines and then electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. First let us see the reactions of benzaldehyde with the amines. Benzaldehyde reacts with aniline. Aniline is a kind of primary amine. Okay. So let me write benzaldehyde here. C6H5 C double bond OH benzaldehyde with the amine, that is aniline, aromatic amine aniline. Aniline is C6H5 NH2 actually. Okay, so let me write that one like this, C6H5 NH2. So this is a kind of primary amine. Alright, so aromatic amine aniline. Condensation occurs, that is water gets removed. So this reaction happens in the presence of acid, H plus ion. Okay, so water is removed, just combine the remaining portion, C6H5CH double bond NC6H5 benzal aniline. Okay, this we call it as a Schiff base. Benzal aniline, benzaldehyde with the primary amine such as aniline. So next reaction we will see benzaldehyde with a tertiary amine. One molecule of benzaldehyde will react with the two molecules of tertiary amine. So that we will see now. So benzaldehyde C6H5 C double bond OH reacts with the two molecules of tertiary amine, NN dimethyl aniline. Okay, NN dimethyl aniline. So aniline is C6H5NH2, right? So instead of the two hydrogen we can write methyl group. So that is NN dimethyl aniline. So methyl group is 2, right? Twice. So this is NN dimethyl aniline. Okay, two such molecules. So one molecules of benzaldehyde reacts with two molecules of NN dimethyl aniline. So this is a kind of tertiary amine. Alright, so now actually it's better we put the ring form itself. Okay, so let me put the ring form here, and for this also we can put the ring form of benzene. So I have given the ring structure here, benzaldehyde and NN dimethyl aniline. Alright, so there will be an hydrogen here actually. So hydrogen will be at every corner. Okay, there will be carbon and hydrogen. So this hydrogen is going to involve in the reaction. There is water removal here. Alright, so remaining we have to combine it. So you get in this form. This is malachite green. This is a kind of dye. Alright, so the reaction occurs in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Benzaldehyde combines with tertiary amine such as NN dimethyl benzene to form malachite green dye. Okay, the reaction occurs in the presence of acid. So we have seen the reactions of benzaldehyde with amines such as primary amine it forms a skiff base actually. With the tertiary amine, it forms a malachite green dye. It's a very important reaction. Okay, so next we will see about the electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reaction means actually the substitution reaction will occur in the benzene ring. So we need to write the benzaldehyde in the ring form. Okay, benzene ring, then C double bond O H, benzaldehyde. So some of the electrophilic substitution reactions. The first one we call it nitration. Okay, so nitration occurs in the presence of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Sulfonation, that is if it has been treated with only concentrated sulfuric acid. Chlorination in the presence of FeCl3. So these are all electrophilic substitution reactions. Chlorination in the presence of catalyst and chlorination with no catalyst. So different types of product will be obtained when catalyst used, when there is no catalyst. So nitration, sulfonation, chlorination, two types, one with catalyst, another without catalyst. So let's see what will be the product. The substitutions occur in the benzene ring, actually in the meta position. Okay, so these two sides nearer to the next to the functional group, we call it as ortho position. So this position is meta. Okay, the position 1 straight to the functional group is said to be para. So this is ortho, meta and para. So actually aldehyde group is meta directing. Okay, so substitution occur at the meta position. On nitration, NO2 group will get substituted. So let me write the benzaldehyde because as CHO itself. Okay, aldehyde group. Meta directing, this group is meta directing. So NO2. Okay, meta nitrobenzaldehyde is formed. With the concentrated sulfuric acid, sulfonic group. Alright, sulfonic group will be attached in the meta position. Sulfonic group is SO3H. Next, what happens on chlorination in the presence of catalyst, in the absence of catalyst. In the presence of catalyst, metachlorobenzaldehyde. Metachlorobenzaldehyde is formed. If catalyst is not there, then what happens is chlorine substitutes the hydrogen. So replaces this hydrogen. So what do you get? Benzene ring, C double bond O H. Sorry, in the place of H you get Cl. This is said to be benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. So in presence of catalyst, metachlorobenzaldehyde is formed. In the absence of catalyst, benzoyl chloride, which is C6H5COCl. Okay, so these are the electrophilic substitution reactions. So now we saw about the reactions of benzaldehyde with the two kinds of amines. One with the primary amine, skiff base is formed. Next with the tertiary amine, malachite green dye is formed. And we have seen 4 kinds of electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde.